everybody, it's Coco Ho, and we're back for another installment of Good Vibes of the Week presented by Barefoot Wine. If you're just joining us for the first time, this is where I give you a little insight into how I'm keeping the good vibes rolling while here at home on the North Shore. Living life on the North Shore, you would think every day is a beach day. But with a schedule that sends me all over the world, I rarely have time to slow down and hang with close friends. So today, to keep the vibes particularly high, I'm going to take you to my favorite place with some of my favorite people. Let's go.
It's kind of hot.
I know, I need to jump in.
Yeah, we should.
Jump in. And
Get it while it lasts.
And let's go.
oh, it's so nice. I don't know when the last time I swam.
Yeah!
Rinse and wine. Thank you. Yeah, I love cherry. And seltzer, strawberry, pineapple, or cherry. I'll have a strawberry. Stop teasing me.
Oh, I don't like this angle.
This has been so fun. Thanks for such a fun day.
Oh, I love when you're home.
Cheers to being
Cheers. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're finding ways to keep the good vibes rolling yourself. This has been Good Vibes of the Week presented by Barefoot Wine. Until next time.
Do you like that? Well, if so, subscribe over there and then watch more videos over there. And then tell us your favorite videos down there. It's a 3-step process. Do them all now.